Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act, MoCRA, essential guidelines for compliance in the cosmetics industry. This is the topic we will be covering today. Let's get started. In the dynamic world of cosmetics, staying abreast of regulatory changes is paramount for manufacturers and exporters alike. The Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act, MoCRA, stands as a pivotal piece of legislation reshaping the landscape of cosmetic regulation. For those involved in the industry, understanding its nuances and implications is crucial for compliance and success. Here are 30 key insights every cosmetic manufacturer or exporter should know about MoCRA.
1. Expanded regulatory authority. MoCRA grants the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, broader authority over cosmetics regulation, enabling enhanced oversight and enforcement. 2. Safety assessment. Emphasis: there is an increased focus on safety assessments of cosmetic ingredients under MoCRA, necessitating comprehensive data to demonstrate the safety of products. 3. Pre-market approval possibilities. While cosmetics traditionally did not require pre-market approval, MoCRA introduces provisions for potential pre-market authorization, particularly for products with new ingredients or innovative claims. 4. Stringent GMP compliance. Compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, is vital under MoCRA, with heightened scrutiny on manufacturing processes to ensure product safety and quality. 5. Enhanced labeling requirements. MoCRA mandates clearer and more informative labeling, including detailed ingredient lists, allergen information, and precise instructions for safe usage. 6. Adverse event reporting obligations. Manufacturers must promptly report adverse events related to their products under MoCRA, facilitating swift responses to potential safety concerns. A responsible person is required to report serious adverse events associated with the use of cosmetic products in the United States to FDA within 15 business days. The responsible person must include a copy of the label on or within the retail packaging of such cosmetic product. If the responsible person receives medical or other information about the adverse event within 1 year of the initial report to FDA, they must submit this new information to FDA within 15 business days. FDA will also have access to adverse event reports during an inspection. 7. Restrictions on animal testing. MoCRA imposes stricter limitations on animal testing, encouraging the use of alternative methods to minimize animal cruelty. 8. Facility registration and product listing. Manufacturers and exporters are required to register their facilities with the FDA and provide comprehensive product listings, enhancing accountability and traceability. 9. Importer responsibilities. Importers play a crucial role in ensuring imported cosmetics meet United States regulatory standards under MoCRA before entering the market. 10. Supply chain transparency enhancement. MoCRA emphasizes supply chain transparency, necessitating thorough documentation and tracking of ingredients from source to finished product.
11. Third-party certification possibilities. In certain instances, third-party certification may be necessary to validate the safety and quality of cosmetic products, providing additional assurance to consumers. 12. Enforcement measures and penalties. Non-compliance with MoCRA can result in significant penalties, including fines and product recalls, highlighting the importance of strict adherence to regulatory requirements. Products can be refused entry into the United States because they appear to be adulterated, meaning the products are contaminated, not safe, or do not otherwise meet applicable standards, or misbranded, meaning the labels contain false or misleading information, and finally, because they are considered unapproved new drugs. 13. International regulatory harmonization efforts. While primarily focused on United States regulation, MoCRA aligns with international endeavors to harmonize cosmetic standards, facilitating smoother trade and regulatory coherence. 14. Acknowledgement of emerging technologies. MoCRA recognizes the impact of emerging technologies on cosmetic innovation and regulation, allowing for adaptability in addressing novel ingredients and formulations. 15. Consumer education focus. With increased transparency and accessibility to information, MoCRA promotes consumer education, empowering individuals to make informed choices about the cosmetics they use.
16. Environmental considerations. Integration. MoCRA encourages consideration of environmental impacts in cosmetic formulation and packaging decisions, reflecting growing concerns about sustainability. 17. Support for small businesses. MoCRA includes provisions to support small businesses in complying with regulatory requirements, acknowledging the diverse landscape of the cosmetics industry. 18. Continuous monitoring and adaptation. Imperative regulatory frameworks evolve, and MoCRA is no exception. Manufacturers and exporters must remain vigilant, continuously monitoring updates and adapting practices to ensure compliance. 19. Global market access considerations. Compliance with MoCRA requirements not only facilitates access to the United States market, but also enhances competitiveness in the global cosmetics industry. 20. Data protection and confidentiality concerns. MoCRA may involve the submission of sensitive data, necessitating robust measures to protect intellectual property and confidential information.
21. Compliance documentation maintenance. Manufacturers and exporters must maintain comprehensive documentation demonstrating compliance with MoCRA requirements, facilitating regulatory audits and inquiries. 22. Vigilance on ingredient safety studies. Continuous monitoring of scientific studies and research on cosmetic ingredients is crucial for staying informed about emerging safety concerns and regulatory trends. 23. Product testing and validation protocols. Implementing robust product testing and validation protocols is essential for ensuring the safety, efficacy, and quality of cosmetic products in accordance with MoCRA standards. 24. Adaptability and agility. The cosmetics industry is dynamic and regulatory requirements may evolve. Manufacturers and exporters must remain adaptable and agile to navigate changes effectively and maintain compliance with MoCRA. 25. Training and education initiatives. Investing in training and education on MoCRA compliance is essential for ensuring that employees understand their responsibilities and the regulatory landscape.
26. Mandatory recall authority. If the FDA determines that there is a reasonable probability that a cosmetic is adulterated or misbranded, and the use of or exposure to the cosmetic will cause serious adverse health consequences or death, FDA has the authority to order a mandatory recall if the responsible person refuses to do so voluntarily. 27. Safety substantiation. Companies and individuals who manufacture or market cosmetics have a responsibility to ensure the safety of their products. Neither the law nor FDA regulations require specific tests to demonstrate the safety of individual products or ingredients. 28. Exemptions. MoCRA exempts certain small businesses from GMP, registration, and product listing requirements. 29. Product listing. A responsible person must list each marketed cosmetic product with FDA, including product ingredients, and provide any updates annually. A responsible person is the manufacturer, packer, or distributor of a cosmetic product whose name appears on the label of such cosmetic product in accordance with the Fair Packaging and Labelling Act. 30. Records access. If conditions are met, FDA can access and copy certain records related to a cosmetic product, including safety records.
In conclusion, the Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act, MoCRA, represents a significant milestone in shaping the regulatory framework of the cosmetics industry. By comprehensively understanding and proactively addressing the implications of MoCRA, manufacturers and exporters can navigate regulatory complexities with confidence, ensuring the safety, quality, and integrity of cosmetic products in an evolving marketplace.
FDA has the authority to suspend a facility's registration if the agency determines that a cosmetic product manufactured or processed by the registered facility and distributed in the United States has a reasonable probability of causing serious adverse health consequences or death to humans, and the agency has a reasonable belief that other products manufactured or processed by the facility may be similarly affected because of a failure that cannot be isolated to a product or products, or is sufficiently pervasive to raise concerns about other products manufactured in the facility. Please keep that in mind.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on regulatory compliance and industry best practices. Until next time, stay safe, stay compliant, and stay tuned.
Thanks for watching. See you next week.